Yeah, come on. And we're getting the shade too. Yeah. There you go. She's covered. That's covered. And that's a detective hat.
Did it before I calls a cop on you.
We've almost got that golden ball all mixed up. Still going great. Right on schedule. Good round, too.
Someone went mad wrong with that one. They hit it way too hard. Cream pie. From cream pie to no replies. What are we painting these guys to be slackers? This part is gonna finish here. I feel like going to the animators and going, missed a spot. Right? Yeah?
You're listening to Wacky Radio Toontown. Now, lend an ear to this lovely little musical number. On second thought, you better keep your ear on your head.
The calendar girl's still there.
Give me a break!
It would seem I have a fan. She doesn't like me very much. No. Okay. This light does things to me. What can I say? Yeah. And now there is light because of my light and mysterious friend, my accomplice in crime, which we'll never know. Because she's totally doesn't want you creeps to know who she is. There you go.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
That counted as 1 Oscar. So he died with 28 Oscars. Did you know that? 28. More Oscars than any man ever alive. And there it is. There it is. Oh yes. Nobody's more winning than that man right there. The king of the Oscars, Walt Disney himself. And this is in Carthay Circle. And this is really wonderful. Oh, there's the old Carthay Circle right there. You see it? Yeah, it burnt down, but very nice. It made in the same manner as them. So this place is kind of like recreating history. So don't you go changing, or I'll find you.